386 is Emma. This is Human Nature.
Looking home across the nighttime, city breaks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice, shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Won't be out until the nighttime. My walls won't hold me tonight. It's just an apple that we taken by. They say why? Tell them that was human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? Say it right now, oh why? No, why? Does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes everywhere. See that girl, she goes out watching, she backs away, I stare. They say why? Tell them that was human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? Say white now.